Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and we're right in the middle of a pandemic called coronavirus, and everybody's going nuts in quarantine and isolation, and your kids are getting bored. Schools are closed everywhere, and I've been in school today getting online classes for the kids. And what I want to show you here is we have a video channel. Somebody asked me the other week, why don't you put your videos online public? Well, they're on my video channel, Nature's Friends. And if you look right here, you can see I have like 170 videos on. They're canning, home repairs, cooking, pier fishing, harvesting kale seeds, how to make butter, how to make biscuits, how to plant your eggplants, your cauliflower, your cabbage, how to make electrical repairs, heat pump repairs. So just go online, you can make this a lesson for your kids, and y'all can even actually take one of the recipes and make it and see how good it is. And when you can this stuff, you put it on this shelf, and you can can a year or two's worth anytime, any year that you got a good harvest. So you can have, we always called Harold storing his nuts like a squirrel. So this is just a good idea for everybody, and we enjoy doing it, and we enjoy showing people and helping people. And that, yes, and we don't know how to plant and grow toilet paper. Why toilet paper was the main thing, but I guess everybody started wiping their tails now. So, but anyway, had to put a little humor in there. I didn't say what I really wanted to say. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can email us at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com. You can like us, you can subscribe to us, comment on the video, anything at all. But the main thing is get your kids involved, teach them how to grow. I'm an HVAC instructor and electrical instructor at a local vocational school. My kids have a box at school. And if you look on here, we got a video on how to do it and grow stuff year round. We have a hoop over it, we have solar heaters in it. So you don't have to go that extravagant, but we teach the kids, and they love going out and getting the stuff and eating it, carrots, lettuce, radishes. So just take us at heed, enjoy our channel, and get by this virus, and I hope everybody's well. Thank you.